Come on, we have just the thing to cheer you up.
Okay, but I don't see how a pajama party will make me feel better.
Once there was a princess, not like any other. Never scared of a good fight. This is the tale of the Princess Night. The beauty of a swan, the heart of a lion. To save her friend, she'd even face a dragon. She showed her bravery to everyone in town. That day she knocked the giant down. Princess Night! Princess
This
Night!
is the nicest thing anyone has ever done for me.
It'll happen, Cat. You just have to be patient.
Woohoo! Yeah! Take that, giant!
And once again, the oranges save the day. I love happy endings. Off to find my giant. Thanks for inspiring me, guys. Kiss, 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 Cat. What? Dad saw Cat sneak out, going after her. Torpedo! Turbo mode!
Hey, giant! Down here! Put him up, big guy!
Go away, tiny girl. Cyclops, busy.
Okay? Let's dance! Cat, stop! Jim! Just in time to see me become the Princess Knight. I got him in the ropes.
He doesn't look like he wants to fight you. Let's go home before he changes his mind.
You're right. He won't fight me. I guess I'll have to find a giant who's not a huge chicken! Thanks, Jimmy.
Wait, that's not what I meant. You need a wingman. Hang on. How about we find you a slightly smaller giant? Technically, he'd still be a giant.
Let's do this stealth mode, buddy. No reason to bother the big guy. Jimmy and Cat, well done. I have no quarrel with you today, giant. I'm just looking for two kids.
Helmet.
Oh, great, the helmet guy. Look, I left in a hurry and didn't take my helmet, but how about this King of the Kitchen apron, huh?
What you looking at? You want a piece of me?
Oh, yeah.
I am a piece of you, Einstein.
Right, that's it. Yeah, take that. Yeah.
He's going down! So I guess this one doesn't count?
One, two, one, two. You! Let's rumble!
Who's that? Where are you? Show yourself.
I'm right here. Bring it on! Yeah!
Yeah? Here you go. My toes!
The good news is, this one actually tried hitting you.